of some sort to get to that location, and you're kind of giving them a breadcrumb trail. And these splines will help you to decide, to determine exactly where you want the player to go, and you can kind of curve it out a little bit. That way you can get the exact right curve that you're looking for. However you want to do that. You can also spawn things in between the spline points. So like that you could get like the tangents and stuff like that. My goodness gracious. Conferences always get me really weird. Okay, so anyways, this is going to be all this does. All this is going to do is spawn coins. Will that affect the rotation of the coins at the points? Not exactly, because the way I have the rotation set up is I just have it doing a simple spin around the z-axis, which, again, because of the pivot, it gets all screwed up. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Because I have it set up to just rotate along the z-axis, it shouldn't change that. Like, if I come here, they're still spinning in the same general direction. But it depends on your specific rotation code. Like if you tell it to get if you tell it to spin on the local rotation and you have them rotated in any odd directions or anything, yeah, it could potentially change it. But since we don't, that shouldn't be too much of a problem. I actually want to make the character do a little bit of a jump here. So let's go. Yay. There. Okay. So all this is going to be for is spawning more coins. And since we've already got them deleting and everything, there's not much we have to do here. All this does is add value. So every time a coin gets picked up, it adds additional stuff. Oh, I need one more thing. And I believe I'm actually just going to do this in the level blueprint. That way it's specific to this level. And, okay, to be fair, it's actually going to be two more things. But first is going to be boom, integer, number, coins. And event on begin play, get a delay of 0.2 seconds. That'll be fine. Set number of coins. So we'll do a get all actors of class. Length. Put that right in there. To string. Print string. So once this runs, what it should do is get all of the coins that are spawned, and then put those into number of coins, check that, and put it into a print string. So we hit this, boom, we have 6 coins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is correct. Now, why did we do this? Well, that's very important, because we need to run a custom event. Let's see. And we could either check it on tick or let's see. In the future, it would be nice to see an example of player pickup changes the character, for example, man to dog to bird, with the mechanics. Oh, yeah, that, I can't give you an exact representation because I don't have those models. However, I can give you a rough interpretation of what I think would work for that. And that actually will not be that difficult. Because, in fact, let me finish this coin thing, and then I have something that may help you out with that. Because really, all you have to do is get your possession mechanics right. Once you do that, it's very easy because all you do is determine your mechanics in the individual actors and then just possess and unpossess based on which actor you're currently wanting to take. That part won't be difficult at all. This, however, is going to be very annoying. Um, how do I want to do this? Okay. If you had 2 levels and you set 5 to complete level and 2 and second to 10 complete level would be stored set in game. I would set that in the game instance, Bobby. And the reason is you're wanting it to like I don't ever like the game state is mostly for save game stuff. The game instance is for each individual instance of the game that you have. Like when you have a game starting, it starts at that point and then keeps going until you turn it off and turn it on again. So it depends. If you're wanting to save the game at certain points, then you could do that. If you're not, then I would just use the game instance. Okay, so trying to figure out exactly how I want to do this because I don't necessarily want to where's my level blueprint? There it is. Okay, so delay, get all actors of class, length, number of coins. So I'll just do this on tick. It'll for this purpose, this will be fine. Or do it every other tick. So do a flip flop. Less than or equal to 0. So once it hits 0, actually tick would be bad for this. We'll run this on a timer. Custom event, timer, set timer by function name, timer, we'll set it on a 0.25 second timer, boom, 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 boom. Okay, so check number of coins. Once it hits less than 0, we're going to get all actors of class, coin spawn, for each, add coins, so first things first, I want to hit this, go clear timer, oh, that's not what I want. Okay. Oh, I know what I can do. Okay. Do once. Then custom event. Reassign coin. Boom. let's do a sequence here. So sequence will be boom, and then hit the reset here. There we go. And then at the very end of this, once completed, reassign coin. So timer, check to see if number of coins is less than 0, runs through. Once it goes to true, hit a do once, do get all actors of class coin spawn for each loop, hit the add coins, reassign coin. Once it comes up here, it goes, oh, okay, so let's go ahead and get all actors of class, get the length, number of coins, set the timer function name, and do once, and then it starts all over again. Well, I suppose I don't have to reset the timer by function name, so we can just put this on a do once as well. There we go. So let's try. Okay, something did not work. Compile. Get the time, looping. Set time by timer. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start this again. Oh, I'd certainly like to see this. Can I not see my... Save. Let's call this coin map. There we go. Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Hee. Okay. Well then, we'll do this. Control X. Do another actor class, and we'll call this count coins. So we'll do this in here. Boom, promote to variable. And we'll just change that, hit compile, save. What's wrong? Boom. And then all we have to do should be put this in the level. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is not liking something that I'm doing. It's just not running the... print string. Let's add a print string right here. Obviously, the best way to determine if a function is running at all has always been print string. So that part is running, which means let me check this, which means this is checking here, which means I should be able to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I am a complete idiot.